In this video, you will learn how to launch a cooling configurator from the design portal, do the base and full configuration of cooling solutions, and view the reports. This is the design portal login page, and Schneider employees can log in from here using a single sign-on. Note that the partner needs to log in to My Schneider and launch the design portal from there. Upon login, first-time users will see the Terms and Conditions page, where they can set their preferences. Select the checkboxes and click the I accept button to proceed. Once they accept the terms and conditions, the portal will direct new users to the Solutions List page. The returning users will view this page directly upon login. To create a new solution, click Create Solution in the Solutions drop-down list. You will be redirected to the Create New Solution page. You can modify the system-generated solution name on this page. Select your desired country. The cooling configurator is currently available only for international regions. In this example, we have selected Singapore. When you scroll down, you will see the Cooling Configurator tile under Product Configuration. Once you click Configure to launch the configurator, you will be directed to the Cooling Configurator Summary page. When you click the Add Product button, you will be redirected to the Product Selection page. This page mentions the number of available products, but you can also search by SKU ID. You can use the filters on the left side of the page to view a streamlined list. Note that we offer both room cooling and chiller products. In this video, we will focus on the room cooling products. Click on each drop-down arrow to view and select criteria based on product lines, product ranges, cooling type, airflow type, and product series. On the product selection page, each product code has its nominal flow, cooling capacity, price, and actions. The cooling configurator allows two types of configuration for each product. The base configuration has a default selection for each module, and you can directly save the solution. The full configuration allows you to customize the solution by selecting different options in each module. Let's first look at the base configuration. When you click the Base tab, this page will appear. Notice that all options in each module are selected by default, except for the ancillaries and accessories. In the base configuration, accessories are not included by default. We need to select them additionally. You can save changes with or without selecting the accessories and ancillaries if they are applicable to the series chosen. Before we click the Save Changes button, let's understand other details on this page. Every solution created for any configurator in the design portal is identified with a code starting with ISX. This is the unique code for the solution. Then there is the solution name that you gave on the Create New Solution page. This is the product model code. Prices are shown in US dollars on the right side. On the right side, you will notice a digit code. It is derived by combining the codes of the options selected in each module within the main unit configuration. For example, B is the option for language, 1 is the option in the airflow module, 2 is the option in the microprocessor module, and so on. Note that if you change any one module option, you will get a reset prompt. If you click on the Yes button, the options in all modules will be reset, and the base configuration will be converted to a full configuration. You would then need to choose an option in every module to reconfigure a cooling solution. On clicking the technical documents, you will be directed to this page, where you can find various documents on product details. These include technical manual, electrical diagram, drawing, BIM, and connectivity documents. On this page, you can search for a particular document, set a language preference, view the documents in your browser, or download them. CE certification is required for certain products and countries. CE certification is available under the Particular Request module and is chargeable. On clicking the Save Changes button, you will be directed to the Summary page. You can view the summary of your configuration, including quantity and price. There are options to edit or delete the configuration. On clicking the Add Product button, you will be directed to the Product Selection page, where you can add another product. You will now learn how to do the full configuration through the Cooling Configurator. When you click the Full tab, this page will appear. Observe that the Save Changes button is not activated. You need to select an option in each module, and then only the Save Changes button becomes active. After you select an option in the first module, the Next button is activated. On clicking the Next button, the options for the next module appear. This process repeats for each module. Likewise, select options in each module. Once you select the options in all the modules, the Save Changes button is activated. On clicking the Save Changes button, you will be directed to the Summary page. You can view the summary of your product configuration, including quantity and price. You can also edit or delete the configuration. On clicking the Edit button, you will be redirected to the Product Configuration page. When you modify an option in any module, you will get a prompt to reset. Note that clicking on the Yes button will reset the options across all modules. You need to select an option in all the modules again. Upon saving the changes, the Summary page appears. To save the solution in the Design portal and view the report, click the Go to Solution Overview button. When you click this button, it will save your design solution to the Design portal and display the Solution Overview page. You will see the country, contacts, price, and other details. When you click Reports, the Solution Reports page will appear in a separate tab in the browser. It will show the list price by default. To view the consolidated report, click the Download Solution Reports button. Alternatively, select each product and click the corresponding Download button to download the PDF or Excel. You can take this list to the factory to place an order. The factory's personnel validate the product using the digit code. You can enter the conversion factor in the box. In this example, we input 0.5, which updates the list price report with the conversion factor. Note that the Cost of Goods Sold (COGS) price report is only available for selective users. This report does not include the margin percentage. If you have access to the COGS price report, you can view all the design details of your solution in this report, including status, main unit configuration, prices, terms and conditions, and so on. You can also add a conversion factor to the COGS price list. In this example, we input 0.5 into the box, which updates the COGS price report with the conversion factor. You can download the report in the form of PDF or Excel. After saving your design in the portal, you must submit it for approval. On clicking the Submit for Approval button, you will be directed to this page. Add the valid opportunity number from the Bridge Front Office, BFO. Once it is validated, click Submit Solution for review. Once auto-approved, the Cooling Configurator tool utilizer shall send an ISX report with approved status to the order obtainment team. Let's look at the Solution Overview page now. In this example, the opportunity number is in Stage 7. At Stage 7, you can order the solution. Note that currently, the solution expires within 60 days of the last update date. However, this is subject to change. Also, to get the latest pricing and extend the validity of an expired solution, the user must edit and resave it. In this video, you got a comprehensive view of the cooling configurator and learned about the base and the full standard configuration along with the reports.